Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to change captions in YouTube on phone. So today I'll be showing you how to change your captions on YouTube on phone. First thing you need to do is open up your YouTube, and once you are here on your YouTube, click on your profile on the bottom right, and once you're here, on the top right you will see a settings icon. Click on that. After clicking on that, just scroll down at video and audio preference, and once you're here, on below the playback there's a caption, so click on captions, and as you can see you can change the language. You can either, so the default language of course is English, but you can change it to any language that you want. As you can see, it is complete with all the language, and you can also change its text size. You can make it very small or very large, and you can change its caption style. Like for example, right here, white on black, white on white, black on white, and you can also customize it. Like as you can see here, you can change the font family, serif, or maybe change the background opacity. Let's make it 50%, and there you go. It will look like that. And here you will see what it looks like, as you can see there. So yeah, that's how you change your caption in YouTube, so for you to enjoy what you are watching and understand it. So yeah guys, and a little tip, you can also off the captions. Just click on this and it will turn off, so no matter what you do on your YouTube there will be no captions. So yeah, there you go guys. I hope you guys like the video and hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.